This channel does not sell vape products. This channel is purely for educational purposes. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today's review is something a little bit different. During December, Oxford was celebrating the 5th anniversary, and they set out myself and a few other reviewers a little anniversary gift box set, which is going to be this one here. High fives, high dreams, Oxford 5th anniversary. Now inside this thing, there's going to be a t-shirt, it's going to be a USB-C dongle, or USB drive should I say, and also a device. I'll take it out of the box and I will show you. So yeah, in the box here, little t-shirts, a USB-C thumb drive, and the new device itself. This device will be the new Oxva NeXLIM, or NeXLIM, I'm not too sure how I pronounce it. I'm saying NeXLIM. So what I'm going to do this review, I'm going to go down to the table and review the pod and the pod device itself. I'll explain to you later on about the packaging. Like you can see there, mine is not going to be your normal packaging. When you buy this pod kit, you'll get 2 pods, the device, USB-C charge cable, instruction booklet, etc. But my one's going to be reviewed out of this box. So yeah, let's go down, have a quick look at the new pod from Oxford. So yeah, here we are down at the table. Like I showed you a minute ago, I don't have a box per se to unbox, but I can tell you this, when you buy this one, you'll get the device itself, 2 pods, a 0.6 and a 0.8. USB-C charge cable, and obviously a user manual. My one, obviously, because it came out of the box there, is going to be separately here. I've got both pods, obviously. Now, my device here, it does say the 5th anniversary for Oxford, so 5 years on, really good. This one will be glory red. I do believe you can buy this one on the website. I think there's about 12 different colours available in total. I'll put a splash screen up later on. So yeah, on the front, like I said, it has embossed 5th and Oxford. This is a sort of padded foam feel, and this part will be metallic. The screen will be this side. This side here will be your power button and your menu select button. This device is going to be pure auto draw. That will not be a fire button. On the back, just like high fives, higher dreams. This side. Now, I personally think this is going to be called the NeXLIM or the NeXLIM. I'm not too sure. I think NeXLIM I will go for. This side here, there is an airflow, as you can see, fully open, fully closed, and in between, that airflow slider is really tight, I must say. On here will be your screen. On the base, to say a few things. Just have a UK CA mark, tells for the bin, CE mark. This will be a 1,500 mAh battery device. It's capable of up to 40 watts in the boost mode. Talk about it later on. USB charge point, obviously. So this one will be new pods totally. These pods will not be compatible with any of the SLIM devices. It's a more rounded pod. The actual device itself is more rounder. So this is going to be a new range of pods and a new range of coils. It's going to be a double mesh. They're promoting it as a double mesh, meaning double life, double flavor. Talk more about that later on. Just like Oxford NeXLIM pod. Little sticker there. Pull that one off. And like when you buy the packaging there, you'll get this one pre-installed. This is going to be the 0.6 ohm, recommended between 20 and 40 watts. That second pod here that I got in the box there. It's a bit hard with this light orange thing there, but it's going to be a 0.8 ohm, between 12 and 32 watts. Now me personally, you know my channel, I like to vape pods at a 0.8. So this review, I'm going to try the 0.8, not the 0.6. Inside the device, obviously 2 contact points, or 3 contact points actually. Yeah, 3 contact points and 2 magnets and your air hole there for your air intake. As with the device I reviewed not long ago, this has that special menu where you can hold the button and it will scroll through the features, which I will use. I've not used this before, so I'm going to assume it's with 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off. Comes with Oxford NeXLIM version, and then it comes up with the screen. So right now mine's in boost. I do believe if you hold this power button, scroll through the menu, so adjust the boost, adjust the wattage, adjust the themes, on and off, and puff clear. Okay, easy enough. So 1, 2, I've now gone from boost to eco. From what I believe is in eco, We'll fire these pods up to certain wattage, and on boost, it will fire them all slightly higher. Test it out in a minute with this one, the 0.8. So that's going to be that one. And then 1, 2, 3 for the wattage. For wattage, 40. Back down to 5. And then all the way up to 40 again, obviously. Plain and simple. It does have the battery percentage here. It does have the puff count, which is 5 digits, which is really good. And obviously the resistance of the pod. There's no pod attached right now. So if I click this 4 times, 1 click to wake up the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to be an animation. This will be the cyberpunk animation. They're calling this one. When you're vaping, you get a slight animation like I just showed you there. Try one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, kind of cute. It is going to be what they're calling the robot screen. Again, that will animate when you're vaping. 7 clicks to clear puff counter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Puff clear. I'm not using it yet, so yeah, that's not going to show anything. That's kind of cute in a way. Some people might like that one. So yeah, it's going to be plain and simple. These pods, like I said, they are not going to be compatible with any of the slim devices from the past. This is going to be a new range. Put a picture here of the coils. Like I said, it's going to be a dual mesh. They're saying dual power, double power, double flavor. And yeah, what I'll do is first with this one, it is side fill. Little button there says open. Pop it open. The base, Now my one, I think, is going to be the non-TPD version. So this one will hold 4 mils of e-liquid. TPD version will be just 2 mils. Going to use some of the Ox Passion juice in this one. We use the berry lemon. Plain and simple, just fill it up. It is a slightly smoked pod. You can see the liquid's quite easy in this one. It is a new pod, obviously don't vape it straight away. And let's put 1 or 2 drops down the mouthpiece, just to start saturating the cotton. Like so. I'm not going to vape on it instantly, but I'll put on the device itself. So it's read the ohms and set it to 30 watts. I need to change that screen a second so I can see the menu features. No wattage. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so right now it's in boost. If I put it aside here and then press the 5 button 3 times quickly, I can adjust wattage. So I can go all the way up to, what was that, 35? 32 in boost mode. If I change that boost to eco, got 16 watts now, 3 clicks, change the wattage. So in eco mode, it only goes to 18 watts. In boost mode, it goes up to 32 watts with a 0.8 pod. Each pod will give a different maximum, either in eco or in boost. It comes with this one, the 0.8, and also the 0.6. But I have heard that there's going to be a 1.2 pod available as well. So again, each of these 3 pods, they'll give you different wattage in total in either eco mode or in boost mode. So yeah, that's just going to be a quick look around this one. Like I said, there's no box to open. Like I said, I think it's going to be the NeXLIM, not the NeXLIM. I think NeXLIM for me personally. And like I said, this is going to be the glory red one, the 5th anniversary. So yeah, let's go to top. I'll have a vape on this in a little while. I'll vape for a few hours, see what I think, and then I'll record the final part of this review. I'll see you later. So yeah guys, there we are. I've been vaping this one now for about 2 hours since you're close. Just to break in that pod, just to get an idea for the flavour. As I showed you in your close there, it does come with a 0.8 and a 0.6. That 0.6 was pre-installed, but I myself personally prefer 0.8 for sort of pod kits. So this one here is a 0.8. I find this one at 16 watts. I've got the little robot animation on. And my airflow is fully open. Quick vape this one. And I will say, it's not going to be button fire. It's going to be pure auto draw. But that auto draw works really well, I must say. So this one, it's going to be something completely new and different. It's not under the Slim. It's like NeXLIM. Very different. A bigger battery side, this one. 1,500 mAh battery. But these pods, They are not compatible with any of the other Slim products. These are a brand new pod, brand new mesh system. It's going to be a double mesh. Show you a picture here. Somewhere on that one, they do say double the lifespan and double the flavor. Talk about that later on in the good points and bad points. But yeah, these pods, they are a new style of pods. My one holds 4 mils of e-liquid. TPD, unfortunately, will be 2 mils. This one, it's got the same menu features as the Slim Pro 2 I reviewed just the other day. If you hold that button long enough, it will then start scrolling through all the menu features. I like that one. I think that's really easy and really simple. Saves you looking for the instructions there. So 2 clicks changes from boost to eco. That boost and eco, like I explained, depending on what pod you're using, the 0.6, the 0.8, or the other 1.2 that is available, gives you a certain amount of wattage in either eco or more in the boost. Obviously, I've got mine in, I think it's boost. No, eco. So yeah, that's a nice feature there. 3 clicks, obviously, to change the wattage. 5 clicks on and off. 7 clicks to create a puff count. And like I said, long press that button, it scrolls through that entire menu. So you sort of forget how to change the wattage or you forget how to change the themes. Just do that, and it's very simple. My one is a Glory Red 5th Anniversary Edition, but this one is available to buy. There are 12 different colours. I'll put a picture here of those ones. Yeah, plenty of choices there with those colours. So this one, I'm not going to give my opinion too much about the longevity of these pods, because I've only just started to use it. But flavour-wise, I can talk more about that in a minute. My good points for this one will be, obviously, it's something new. It is going to be a Slim. This is going to be the next generation of the Slim. It's nice to see Oxva stepping up from the Slim range to something different. Also, the pods. The Slim pod, the V2s especially, I really do like. Really good flavour. But they've been around now for 2-3 years. It's nice to see something different, something new, totally new pod, new shape. And like I said, dual mesh, the dual flavour and dual life, or double flavour and double life. So yeah, a lot of good things there. It's nice to see a next step up. The menu system is very simple. This device gives out a total of 40 watts no matter what you got in either eco or boost. I think with the 0.6 on pod, you get the full 40 watts in boost mode. Another good thing will be that airflow. That airflow is nice and tight. It doesn't move around your pocket. And also, if I close it down really, it's almost closed. That really is an actual nice mouth along, not too loose. So this airflow is working well. Some of the earlier pods is sort of hit and miss with the airflow. You can get a slightly loose mouth along, but this one, almost closed off, is actually a nice mouth along, I must say. Yeah, and obviously you've got those themes there. You've got the robot, cyberpunk, or just the classic themes. If you don't want animation, leave it on classic. When you're vaping on classic, that screen stays black. On the robot one, it does animate a little bit. But yeah, some people might like that one. That option is there for you personally to personalize it. Do you have any bad points with this one? The only bad point I have with this one is I really wish that that button there was also a fire button. It is nice in auto draw, but I personally, again, it's personal choice. I like a pod that I can actually press a button and fire it now and again. But this one is pure auto draw. The menu system, it's nothing new really, slightly tweaked, different sort of features obviously. Like I said, having that option to change it from eco to boost is good. It stops you burning out the coil if you're not careful. And also it gives you a choice. If you're a mild vapor, leave it on eco. If you like more clouds and more flavour, put it into boost. 1,500 mAh battery, again, really good. It's a nice solid device, this one. It's quite heavy as well, I must say, in metal. And like I said, this red part here is a sort of fake leather foam feel, but it's really nice. And that screen is quite bright and quite clear to read, as you can see there, 16 watts. So yeah, really good this one. I do like the fact that they've moved on from the Slim to a next generation of Slim, being the NeXLIM. And like I said, I can't really talk about the longevity of these pods. I've just started using this one, but I can talk about the flavour. This flavour is really good, I must say. I use a lot of the Slim version 2 pods. They've always got really good flavour. This one as well has really good flavour. I will say though, being a dual mesh, it does seem to ramp up just slightly warmer, slightly quicker on the go for me. Yeah, it's more of a instant fire than the original Slim pods. Like I said, it's going to be dual mesh on that one. Flavour wise, I'm going to give it easy 8.5 to 9. For now, like I said, I've been vaping this one now for 2 hours, so I can't really give it too much of a rating. But yeah, really good punchy flavour, really nice warm vape, and real instant heat with this one. I do like it. I'm looking forward to see what they do next with this one. I hope they bring out a V2. They put a fire button, maybe even on the front here would be nice. A little fire button. So yeah, guys and girls, I want to say a big thank you to Oxva. Send out the box for me and send out the actual pod itself. Hope that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you're new to me, want to hit the subscribe button down below. And yeah, it's a strange review. It's not really an unboxing. It's an unboxing, but not really. This one I do like. And yeah, guys, I'll see you all on the next one.